Miss, do you know what a nature ambassador is?
No, I'm sorry, no. Nature what? I don't know, I'm so sorry.
Huh? I don't know what you're asking. Sorry, bye.
A nature ambassador? I'm sorry, I don't think there's such a thing.
Hey, let me tell you my story. I used to be a simple girl once, vlogging about my most favorite thing, nature. Cliche, right? But I tell you what, I mean every single word. It started as my parents being nature advocates. So I think it really had a great effect on me. To the fact that me, myself, will be posting and loving nature as they do. So because of my love for nature, I started to do something about it, such as making vlogs and posts and videos, vlogs about it. Just combining two things that I love, nature and, well, technology. It's amazing how technology had an effect on what I love and how I discuss it to other people. I think it's definitely powerful.
Hi guys, it's Bids Yachin, B-I-Z-E, and today we're here at the complex just cleaning up and planting some wonderful plants in complexes to help the environment with these awesome peeps! Hi! So they're cleaning up just our own way to help the environment, just helping up and boosting the ecosystem and cleaning up the environment. Of course, it's such a fun thing to do, a weekly thing that you always do every single week. I hope you guys do the same thing, and don't be mean, be green. Yay!
These positive comments and suggestions just kept on coming and coming and increasing in number, and I thought that maybe I was doing the right thing, and it was really, really overwhelming.
Hey fellow vloggers! So it's nice to know that some people use the internet or whatever technology to promote nature. Keep it up!
Hi! So hi, we are also nature advocates here in Mindoro, and we are very thankful for the support that you have given us. So thank you!
Thank you! After a while from these posts, I'm getting quite a number of attention. It was really overwhelming.
Your vlog is the best.
Keep on vlogging! Hi! I made this video response to tell that I love your vlog. I didn't appreciate nature before, but because of you, I love it.
T-O-E-A-R-T-H! Exclamation point!
Life as an ambassador isn't really much different from my life before. Before, usually I spend my time laying on my bed, eating, and basically blogging. Now, well, it's 75% blogging and 25% other stuff. I'm probably not like the other nature ambassadors in the public image. You know, they maximize their time on conferences and on side jobs like mangrove plantings, fun runs, cleanups, and the like. Well, I too participate in those activities, but I usually dedicate my time on sharing various articles and posts related to the environment and its development. And I do all of these things using the power of the internet and, of course, my blog. One of the perks of being a nature ambassador would be the chance to meet new people, which I entirely love. Another boon is that it can inspire other people to do the same to promote the love for the environment. And another advantage of it is that through this stuff that we are doing, not only do you initiate people, but also create an interdependence for the upward development of the world. It might seem like that my head is up in the clouds, but I have to be positive that one way or another, there's hope to have an okay future for all of us. I'm happy that together with technology, I could sustain a development for society through science and technology.
I keep telling you guys that my life has changed. Now, I'm telling you why exactly. A certain alert got my attention. It says Nature Ambassador Council. Long story short, I met up with them, had lunch, and was basically offered a position as a nature ambassador. Crazy how the internet and technology can change things. I was just a normal blogger posting about the things that she likes, and bam! World changed. I'd like to think that what I'm doing affects the world. Well, at least in a good way. And it might sound like it's nothing, but to me, it's everything. And I think I'm doing a pretty good job. So, guys, don't ever forget don't be mean, be green. And this is one of my most prized possession. This is the physicality, the proof that I'm a nature ambassador. Me being a nature ambassador, I think it was fate. Destiny, perhaps. I think it was Kismet.